Hi everyone, really excited to show a prototype of an idea which I have been thinking in my mind for a few months now. Uh, and the idea is very simple, it's not very unique. The idea is as follows. At least once in our life, we have all gone to our company portal in whichever company we work and have refer a friend of ours. But hardly I have seen, or I have not seen at least any platform which exists today where we can go and refer a friend which is outside a company. Obviously, we can go and apply for a job for ourselves, but I have not seen a platform where I can go and refer for any of my friends, which is obviously outside of my company. In my company, I can obviously refer, and if that particular friend gets selected, maybe I'm getting a referral bonus. But what if, like, if we can build a community or a platform where we can bring in both the recruiters as well as the people who want to refer any of their friends or even themselves, uh, and get some incentive out of that particular process. And that triggers this particular process of creating at least the first prototype. What I'm thinking in my mind, and I want to bounce that idea with you guys today. Whoever actually sees this video, just do let me know in my comments that what do you think about this particular thing, and if you have some idea which can improve this application, just let me know and we can work together, and maybe we can build it as an open source project. Maybe we can build it together. I don't know, like where it can lead us to, or at all it will lead us to anywhere or not. But without any further delay, let me show what I was thinking in my mind and what I was able to do. So you see, this is the first look of the portal. The name of the portal is Ref Connect, which is Referral Connect or something, you can think of it. And there are two personas, right? There is a company persona and there is a job seeker referrer persona. So let me do the first thing. Let me go to the company persona and let me register a company. It can be anything. Let me just give a fictitious company name as company one, and give me let me give it a corporate email there. And I'm registering a company. Good, we are now registered. So here you see there are certain tabs. There is job listing. As of now, since we have not posted any jobs, there is no job listings. These are the referral tab. So if somebody comes to this particular portal as a job seeker or a referrer and he refers any of their friends or even himself, then that particular entry will come up here, which I will show you in the next part of the video. This is one thing of very exciting, like the generative AI thing, like we all right now giving a tag to our application, right? Driven by generative AI or powered by generative AI. And this is the portion which I want to speak in detail in the later portion of this video. But let's start with posting a new job. And it just I'm creating a senior AI engineer. Location, maybe I will give it Bengaluru. And let me give some description to this. Senior AI engineer with extensive experience in Gen AI. Okay, let me post this job. This job has been posted successfully. Now if I go into the job listing, I will see one job has been posted on this date, right? Okay, now let me get out of this persona. Let me log out and let me come into the job seeker, where I will first create an account. Let me just use my name for registering, and I would be using my email. And I can create an account here. Okay, good. We are right now in my account, and here I can see whatever this particular company one had posted a particular job. I can see for this company one, it can be XYZ, any company, senior AI engineer job has been posted, and I want to either refer one of my friend, or in this particular use case I want to refer myself. Okay, so I'm just giving my name here itself, okay, and giving my email ID. So If you want to refer any of your friend, it would be that friend names and that friend's email ID. Okay, and now I want to upload my profile. So I have already downloaded it. Okay, so I work in generative AI, so I am a senior solution architect in generative AI. So I have all those skill sets there which matches with this particular job. Okay, so now I want to refer. I'm just referring my friend just for a demo purpose, myself as a friend actually. Okay, so I'm referring. So referral has been done. So you see one referrals has been made. Okay, so and right now successful hire is 0 right now. Okay, so now we are done here at least. So I'm just logging out of it. Now I'm coming to the company persona, and then I have to just so hr@company1.com. So I'm just signing in. Great, I have signed in, and then I see there is one active job which I have posted, and there is one referral which has been made against this particular job. And if I now go into this referral portal, I see, right, this is the person who has got referred for this particular job role, and this is a position, this is the email ID, this is the date, and the status is right now pending because I have not taken a decision whether to hire this guy or not. Okay, I can get it hired, rejected, or reviewed, anything. So now let's come to the most exciting part of this entire video, where you as a recruiter don't even want to go and look into the profiles, because you might be getting thousands of profile or even hundreds of profiles, right, every day. So it's really become a pain to actually go and manually review it, right? So here we will utilizing the Gen AI to utilize whether this particular candidate fits for this particular job which I have posted. So what I would do is that I will just select that candidate, and then if this particular profile fits my job description, then I will be automatically sending an email to that particular candidate, and also I'll be scheduling a like Zoom meeting with that particular candidate, which I would show in a bit, right, what mail it triggers and which goes to this particular candidate. So now the first thing is that I would first analyze the resume. If it is not a fit, it will reject it outright, but if it is a fit, then it will send a selection email to that particular candidate, and also send it a Zoom meeting link for an interview, which will be the obvious next step for a company, right? So now I would analyze it, start analyzing that particular profile, and let's wait for the results, what it comes up with. Yeah, so resume analysis has completed successfully, and you can see the selection status is selected, right? Experience level is senior, and the generative AI model have actually, right, because I have around 15 years of experience and all the stuff which I have, what are the areas which I have, what it has done, this entire analysis, what are the skills which is matching with this particular job, and maybe also what are the missing skills. Okay, and you see the email has been sent and interview has been scheduled. Now if I go into my email, let me go into my Gmail account. Okay, now you can see, right, I got a email where it's telling congratulations, interview selected, and also a Zoom link, and this is actually a actual Zoom link. Okay, so it will take some time for it, because I have not installed Zoom in my system, but yes, that's it. So now this is done. Okay, And by the way, yeah, even if you don't want to use generative AI or language model behind it, you can do it manually also. You can give that particular, you can do it manual steps as well. Okay, everything is there. There is a both a scope of doing a automated way of screening and a manual way of screening. Okay, and now if I come here and maybe if I select it as reviewed right now, because I don't know like whether I will be taking this candidate or not, at least I have done the review, right? And then I can really log out of this particular thing. And this is in short the first prototype of the idea which I was thinking. So here you see this two persona in this particular same platform. So here there is one company, we can have n number of companies come here, post their particular job, and once that particular person, like me in this case, if I log in into this particular profile, I will be able to see all the jobs which have been posted, and I can refer n number of friends against those jobs. And it also makes life easier for the recruiters. Just a single click button, they can actually review a particular profile and send interview links, like even it is scheduling that interview with that particular candidate. So that's all for today. Just let me know in comments if you have liked this idea, if you want to work with me implementing some new features where you can think of it, and let's do this thing, right? Thank you for your time.